Hi, Michael Kushner here, and it's time for another HOA Q&A, where I respond to questions posed by California homeowners who live in HOA-governed communities. Sam.
Mike, this question comes to us from Dan in Carlsbad. He asks, can I report my HOA to the state?
Well, Sam, no, there's no state agency in California that regulates HOAs or investigates board misconduct. That surprises a lot of homeowners. The Department of Real Estate doesn't get involved. The Attorney General doesn't hear complaints, and there's no version of the HOA police that would step in when board breaks the law. That means if your board is violating the Davis-Sterling Act, ignoring your rights, or acting in bad faith, you're on your own. At least when it comes to enforcement. The only real remedy is to use the civil legal tools that you're given. Internal dispute resolution, board recalls, formal demand letters, and if necessary, filing a lawsuit. And that's where my law firm, MBK CHAPMAN, exists. That's why we're here. We represent homeowners across California who've been left with no one else to call because when your HOA violates the law, there's no state enforcement agency to protect you. Now, some cities and counties have limited mediation programs, but even those can't force your HOA to comply with the law. So no, you can't report your HOA to the state and expect them to intervene. If your board's breaking the law, the only way to make them stop or to hold them accountable is through the civil legal system. So if you find yourself in that situation, call us at MBK CHAPMAN and we'll set your HOA straight. It's been another HOA Q&A. If you like this segment, please hit the like button. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel HOA Hell. If you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, have a wonderful day.